Hi guys, back for another episode of our Man vs. Balloon cloud saving series. And in this episode, we are going to be creating our first tower. And I know this might sound a bit complicated, but it's actually really easy since we've done most of the work already. So let's get started. My first tower is going to be a guy that chucks darts at the balloon. Kind of like a bartender, you could say. That's a bit too big. So maybe like this. Yeah, probably that. That's a nice size. So then I'm just going to grab my peach kinda color. Then I will get my brush, grab some brown, give him some hair, because we don't want him to look hairless. That would just be really weird. Then we will grab some black and make his two eyes. And then I will get him a tuxedo type thing. I don't know, really. And then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. There we go. And you can see that he's actually shaping up quite nicely. Actually, I think it will be better to exit these off because he looks better with just a nice rounded body. Then from the second thing, I will go down for 3. Second thing, down, and then across, and then fill in these. There we go. So now he looks like he kind of has a tuxedo, and we'll fill in the back part here. There we go. Just fill in these. Okay. So then what we're going to do is give him some arms. So I'm just going to want to make my line size a bit bigger and zoom in a bit more. And then just get him his first arm. There we go. That's a bit too big. So maybe just about this size. Yeah, that looks quite nice. And then we have his second arm, which is kind of doing absolutely nothing throughout the whole animations. So scripts, events when flag clicked, looks, hide, control when I start as a clone, motion, and we're just going to want to create a little dot thing here. And scripts, events when flag clicked, control forever, motion, go to, data, X, and Y. Okay, and then forever, motion, point towards, sprite 14. And we are going to want to get his pointing all right. So let's see here, where is sprite 14? Can you even see it flashing? Looks show. Where is it? Hello, sprite 14. Where are you? Oh, it's up there. So he's pointing the wrong direction, which is actually okay because all we really have to do is, where's that little flippy thing? Ah, here we go. Now he's pointing the correct direction. So control, wait 2 seconds, data, replace item 1. Actually, we're going to want to make a new list. Positions. Replace item 1 of positions with X, and replace item 2 of positions with Y. And add 0 to positions and add 0 to positions. And then what we're going to want to do is create clone of, we are going to quickly make up a dart. So there we go. And then get our black. And then add our head here. Yeah, this is more better. Then add our head, and then what we're going to want to, well, we'll just color this kind of brown to make it look more like a dart. And scripts, control, costumes. We're going to want to quickly animate this guy. So we're going to erase his arm coming out this way. And then we're going to duplicate it. And then make his arm going back this way. And then one more out. Oops, that wasn't good. Then one more out. Then duplicate this. Then, yeah. Just erase that dot. Scripts, control, repeat. 4 times. Looks, next costume. And as you will see, he'll throw the dart. And then control, create clone of sprite 15. Control, when I start as a clone, motion, go to operators, item 1 of positions and item 2 of positions. I think that's correct. Anyway, I'll get this guy centered, which is probably a good idea. And then I'll get the dart centered. Yeah, they're both centered, which is weird. Or am I screwing up the position number? No, X and Y. Oh. Okay, yeah, I got the wrong variable in. Motion, X, and motion, Y. And then you should see that the darts actually go. Oh, add 0 to positions. And we are going to want to drag out a look show. And then what we're going to do, motion, point towards, down, and then just pull it down, sprite 14. There we go. And control, repeat 20 times, move 10 steps. Well, 5 steps. Actually, 10 would be better. Yeah, but for some reason, he's creating 2. I don't know why, but for some reason he is. So that works. And we are just going to want to change the direction of that. Actually, just flip it back. Yeah, there we go. That doesn't make any difference. Okay, he's going sideways that way. So we're just going to want to flip it this way. Pull it down. There we go. And now you can see that the darts actually point in the right way. And we're going to make them just a bit smaller. Maybe a bit smaller than that. For some reason, all these boxes are getting created. And I can move around a box without moving around a dart. That's weird. Then I'll just go back into scripts. And I want to drag, and you're going to want to drag out if then, sensing, touching, sprite 12, control, stop, other scripts into sprite, control, wait 0.1 seconds, and delete this clone. So now you can see that the dart actually gets stopped at the balloon, but the balloon doesn't pop quite yet. So what we are going to do is when I start as a clone, forever, if then, else, sensing, touching. Let's see here. Where are you? Sprite 15. Control if then, else. Yeah. Operators equals looks costume equals, let's see here, 10. Actually, we're going to have red, blue, green, yellow, pink, purple, white, black. Then we're going to have zebra, rainbow, ceramic, and then fiery ceramic, so 12. Control delete this clone, and looks next costume if it doesn't. Okay, and what we are going to want to do is just duplicate it a bunch. And we are also going to be designing all of the costumes in this episode, so that's good. Actually, yeah, we won't be designing the costumes quite yet because that is quite complicated and will fall in the next episode. But yeah, so I'm just going to log in. Hello, it will say. And we should go in. Okay, that's good. Select the map, snake, control, create clone of myself. And now this guy will try and shoot at them. And I want these darts to delete themselves when they go there. I'll just create a bunch of these balloons and see if the guy can stop them. For some reason the darts aren't deleting. And what we're going to want to do is set position to 0. Okay. Hello. And then it will take a while to like load and stuff. And then we get our balloon, pop it, select the map, snake. Then we are going to create a clone of him to test it out. And then data set position to 0. And then control create clone of myself. Okay, so he can't reach it quite yet. Oh, he can. So we got him. And for some reason the position isn't going to 0. Oh, here we go. So right now it's just pointing at the position, but as you see, once this balloon is popped, the position will go to 0. Then we can create more balloons, and he will pop them all. Oh, he missed that time, and he hit the other one. Hopefully he can hit this one before it gets to the end. If he can't, well then he's not very good at his job. Yeah, he just got the balloon. Okay. So I'm going to see how well he can do against the storm horde of balloons. Like 20 of them or something. Hopefully he doesn't fail horribly. Oh, he can get one. Okay, he's getting them pretty good actually. And you can see it bounces kind of because it's going all the way back to 0 when he hits a balloon. So it like bounces when that happens. And for some, oh good, the position's going up. Okay, he's still shooting at him. Will they make it or not? Oh, he got him. They're down to 3. Oh, he got another one. Will he get them all? Who will win? Who will win? The dart guy or the balloons? It's pretty good that this guy isn't actually killing them all because we want him to be like kind of a beginner level tower. But it's not good that the tracking point got caught here for some reason. So we are going to actually, I think I know what's wrong with this. So instead of the last one being a plus, we want it to be a minus. Actually, we want it to be a plus, because you can see it maxed out at 0. There you go. And that is it for now, guys. Subscribe, like, and share. My windows have popped up.